Hello. To set up second space on the Redmi Note 14, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here scroll all the way down and go into additional settings. And again scroll down and right here we have second space. So let's go in here and we have to create one, so let's press this button to turn on this option and we have to wait a little bit for the second space to create, and after it's created we will have to, now we could proceed with the configuration. Alright, the second space has been created, so let's begin. Let's continue, and here are two ways to switch between spaces, using with a password or with a shortcut. But in my opinion, the password option to switch between spaces is more interesting, so I will show you this one. Let's continue, and we simply have to set a password. So right now we have to draw our pattern, which we have on our phone to unlock our phone. And right here we have to set pattern to unlock the second space. So let's, for example, set this pattern like this, confirm, and we can also set a fingerprint for the second space. So let me quickly show you. Let's set now. Alright, and let's quickly scan this finger. Alright, the scanning is done. Now we can continue. And we are being forwarded to the second space, and from here to switch to our normal space we have this switch right here. So let's right now verify and switch. And alright, right now I will show you. As you can see, we are in our default home screen, and now as I want to go to, for example, let's say I'm using my phone as usual, so I'm unlocking my phone with this finger. And also I'm unlocking my phone with this pattern right here. And if I want to go to the second space, there is no other way but to scan a finger which you scanned to set up the second space. And in my case it's the thumb. And as you can see, as I unlock my phone with the thumb, right now I'm being switched to the second space. So that's a very cool thing to do. And also let me show you, as we now we switched back to the regular space by unlocking our phone with the regular pattern, and also the same thing applies when I unlock my phone with the second pattern, which is attached to the second space, as you can see. So basically that's how to set up the second space. Yeah, thank you for watching and please subscribe.